So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I post my projects. I'm a data analyst by profession, so I post my projects here on this channel. So, this will be a project on SQL, on my SQL. Sorry, I'm not on my SQL, on PostgreSQL because this is PG admin, as you can see here. So, I just created a table here. This is a table I used in one of my I used a CSV file in one of my projects to create a table. So this is how it looks like. These are the columns. So that's what I did here. So I gave them the data type. I gave this big int because this was in using Unix timestamp. So I gave it big int. Gave this one numeric. They are in decimals, so I just gave them numeric from high to close. Then when it came to conversion type, I gave it varchar because it's just list of words. They're just words, so I just give them varchar and just give it to 55. So I created this table. I already created the table. As you've seen, I've run the code because I tested it before starting up this video. So if I try to run this again, I'll get an error showing that I already have this table here. I've already had this table. So okay, as you can see here, this is the table here, crypto data. Now I'll do a tutorial on how you can import a CSV file on on PostgreSQL and use it to fill up your tables. Use to create a table in your database. Now this is the database we're using. Learning. So let me go there. This video is focused on using SQL to do a little bit of data cleaning. Not that you do all the whole part, but just a little data cleaning. So okay, let me go to this it here. So this is the data cleaning. Now I've done data cleaning on this CSV file previously on I think my second project or top. Yeah, the second project was a crypto project. So I used SQL to clean my data. So instead of using pandas, although I use pandas to arrange the data in rows and columns, I also use SQL to do a little bit of data cleaning when I was actually selecting what I need from my database, which I've created here, as you can see, what I need from the table in my database. Sorry, so this is the table, is a create table. So okay, now we have to import relevant libraries for this for us to be able to do the data cleaning. So the library used for querying your data in Jupyter Notebook or any other text editor you have is Psycho PG2. So this is the library you can use to query your database from through Python instead of using PG admin. Okay, let me run this. So this is it. Okay, now these are my database details. This is the database. This is the user Postgres. That is the default user in PG admin. In PostgreSQL. And this is the password. I just use password for password because this is just a project, not just it's not something used in real life. Okay, I have to now create a connection. Like you can see, connection with using the Psycho PG2. I have to now connect to this DB params. So this is my database parameters. So I have to do that too. So okay, so this is my query. That's the SQL query. So I have to select all the whole columns. As you can see, I'm selecting the high, the low, the open. Now when it comes to time, due to time is in Unix timestamp, I have to select this and convert it instead of selecting it and doing the conversions. I just convert it immediately as I was selecting it, which is change the timestamp, which is this time, change it to what? This format of date. And then import it as the date, as the alias date. In SQL, as is used to assign alias to so instead of importing it as time, it imports as date. So others, I also imported others. So this is the data cleaning we did. Now this will help us a lot. When you're using SQL for most of my previous projects, I have not used SQL before, any of them, but I noticed that when you use SQL, in as much as I did the mistake of learning Python, Excel before I learned SQL, because SQL is basic thing a data analyst is supposed to learn first before any other language, because it's very powerful when it comes to handling data. And some people also use for cleaning, but I just used to do it a little bit cleaning. Some people use for cleaning throughout, but I don't think I really need that. I love using pandas to do that. So let me run this query from the table. You see crypto data. So let me put the query in a pandas data frame. This is what I did here. So you're using the read SQL and added the connection, everything. So I saved it in what's in the DF. Okay. This is just a warning, I think. Okay. It will not affect our results. So we have to close the connection now. It's very important to close your connection for security purposes, because sometimes the connection could be on and someone can use it to do some manipulative work, whatever. So it's very, very important to also always close your connection. Very, very important to always close your connection. Okay, let me run this. I close the connection and then I'm print the data frame, which is this. So as you can see now, this date now is in a normal date, which is this format, which I love to use because I'm more familiar with this than Unix timestamp. Okay, let me show you what the Unix timestamp look like in the table. Okay, let me run the query to show you that. Okay, I could say something like select everything from crypto data. Then let me limit this so that it will not take more of the time. Let me limit it to just 20. Okay, let me run this. Does not exist from crypto data. Wait, I'm coming. Let me make sure I'm in the right place, because sometimes let me refresh this. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, let's try it again. Select everything from crypto data. Everything from crypto data. Think on crypto data. Let me run this again to test it out. Okay, as you can see, yeah, it has worked. So this is the time in our original database, which is in Unix timestamp. So as you can see, using SQL just helped us out. Instead of importing this and then using pandas to change it to our desired date format, we can just use SQL to select it in the format we need, and we will use it for our analysis. As you can see here, we just use SQL to select it, and it's saved in this variable, so which we now use to save it in our data frame. So this the end of this video. Is not that long. I just show you how you can do data cleaning. Now you can do more cleaning. This is just the basic type of cleaning you could do, but I would love to do my cleaning with pandas. I think I'm more familiar with that. So and then use SQL to get my data from my database, as it looks like. So thank you all and goodbye.